First, we take the individual parts out of the packaging box. The WP30-90 consists of a bird spike, windscreen, and a water-repellent membrane. These three parts are already pre-assembled. Also included is a corrosion-free polymer housing into which the microphone is attached, the lower tube part and the end cap with adapter. Depending on your needs, the end cap can be used without an adapter or with one of the two adapters supplied. Remove the grub screw from the upper housing using the 2.5 mm Allen key provided. Insert the microphone from below into the housing so that the screw on the microphone housing is exactly below the threaded hole. The previously removed grub screw is now reinserted to contact the top of the screw on the microphone housing. This prevents damage to the plastic housing. Make sure that the screw is not too tight. Push the assembled windscreen onto the top section until you hear and feel it click into place. Connect the ASD cable to the microphone and lead the other end through the lower part of the housing. The two parts can now be screwed together using a twist lock action. The last step is to attach the end cap. Use the Allen key again and affix with the 3 screws. The WP30-90 is now completely assembled. If you need to disassemble the WP30-90, proceed as follows. Use the supplied 2.5 mm Allen key to loosen the 3 screws on the end cap. Remove the end cap and unscrew the 2 housing parts. Pull the microphone cable out of the bottom part of the housing and remove the ASD cable from the microphone. The microphone can now be removed from the housing by loosening the grub screw and pulling off the windscreen. This completes the disassembly of the WP30-90.